This passenger-filled aircraft had fallen 100 meters deep into the sea. Luckily, water hadn't entered the cabin, so all the passengers were alive. However, they didn't know that the plane was in the deep sea, and if the oxygen inside the aircraft ran out, everyone's life could be in danger. Being far from land, the aircraft's communication equipment wasn't getting a signal, and the airport hadn't yet received any information about a plane crash. These people were trapped inside the plane with no way out. Just then, a man saw water seeping in through the window, which made the man panic, so they had to do something quickly. At that moment, the pilot made a risky decision. He would personally take the signal receiver from 100 meters deep in the sea to the surface so that he could send a message to the rescue workers. Everyone on the plane knew that this was very dangerous because the pressure of the water could break the body's limbs. Just then, the pilot and his assistant immediately put on their safety jackets, as every second was very precious. The passengers had closed the cabin door, and even when the pilot opened the aircraft door, water came in with great pressure. In an instant, the cabin was filled with water, in which the assistant had lost consciousness. To save his life, the pilot took off his oxygen mask and put it on the assistant's mouth. But just then, the pilot saw that the assistant wasn't breathing, from which he understood that the pressure of the water had caused internal injuries, due to which he had died. The pilot immediately turned around to go outside because he also had to save the other passengers who were waiting for help. Then, without stopping, the pilot came to the aircraft door, opened the leg of the signal receiver, and released a small gas-filled boat, which went straight to the surface of the water. At the same time, the pilot was also swimming upwards. Luckily, he reached the surface at the right time, as he was about to suffocate. He quickly climbed onto the small boat and sent a signal by pressing the emergency button, after which he started waiting for rescue to arrive. After a while, a Navy ship received the emergency signal and immediately sent a team to rescue them. They quickly rescued the pilot. Then the pilot told the ship's captain that his aircraft was lying on the seabed with all the passengers trapped inside. Hearing this, the captain immediately put his entire navy to work searching for the aircraft. And after many efforts, the rescue team finally found the crashed aircraft. These people couldn't believe it. People were still alive deep under the sea. Just then, the rescue team realized that the water pressure was very high. If the aircraft broke, all the seawater would fill the cabin, turning the aircraft into a grave for all the passengers. They make another plan to save them. These people tie empty balloons with thick sheets to the 11 ends of the aircraft and force the part from the balloon to inflate them. Then, when all the preparations were complete, everyone moved away from the aircraft. After that, on the captain's orders, the rescue team immediately turned on the inflation pumps, due to which the balloons started filling with gas, and when all the balloons were full, the aircraft slowly started rising upwards. But due to the sudden movement, the cabin door broke, and all the seawater started filling the cabin. The passengers couldn't do anything without any help. If the aircraft didn't reach the surface within 2 minutes, everyone would die of suffocation. Therefore, the rescue team increased the pressure of the pumps, due to which the aircraft soon started coming above the water, causing the water in the cabin to start flowing out. Just then, all the rescue workers immediately run towards the aircraft and take the passengers out of the aircraft one by one. After which, the aircraft sinks back into the depths of the sea.